If the Face ID is not working on your iPhone, it's no problem because there are a few steps that we can take that only take a couple minutes that definitely fix that Face ID if it's not recognizing your face or if there's a bug or glitch in that Face ID software. So let's get it resolved. The first thing you're going to do is check where the Face ID normally scans your face. It's this little pill-shaped icon at the top. So if you have a cloth, clean this area, maybe consider taking off a screen protector and making sure that area is nice and clean. The second thing we're going to do is make sure the camera works on the front. So swipe down, open up the camera app, and make sure to switch it to the front-facing camera, again, which is in that same little notch at the top, and make sure that works normally. Wave your hand around and make sure that it looks good. Now, if that looks good, the next thing we're going to do is tap on the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down a little bit, tap on General, scroll down to the bottom and tap on Shutdown. Now, this sounds simple, but a lot of times just restarting your phone fixes this issue for whatever reason, so just try a restart. However, if that doesn't fix it, that's no problem, because we're going to tap the back arrow here, scroll down within the settings, we're going to scroll down, tap on Screen Time, scroll down again, and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Now, if you have this turned on, potentially you have issues with changing the Face ID. If it says Allow Changes To, and it's set to Don't Allow, you might have to switch it to Allow. Or, better yet, I would recommend tapping the back arrow and just toggling off Content and Privacy Restrictions. You don't necessarily need this unless you want restrictions. The next thing we're going to do is tap the back arrow again, and we'll tap on Face ID and passcode. You'll need to enter in the passcode used to unlock your phone, so let me do that. And then we're going to scroll down to the bottom until you find Stolen Device Protection. Tap on that and try turning this off. This being off sometimes will fix that Face ID. If it is turned on, it could basically add another security layer that makes that Face ID not work. The next thing we're going to do, if that doesn't work, is no problem. We'll tap the back arrow, scroll up, and just choose Reset Face ID. You can see when you tap on that, it automatically just resets it and removes it. And then all you need to do is tap on Set Up Face ID and then go through the process of setting up a new Face ID. Now, if that still doesn't fix your issue, that is no problem, because there's a couple other software bugs that a lot of times mess up that Face ID. So what we're going to do is tap the back arrow, go back to the beginning of your settings, tap on General towards the bottom, tap on Software Update. Check to see if there's a software update. You can see currently iOS 26.6. Just update your phone. A lot of times that fixes the issue. And if it doesn't, tap the back arrow here, still within the general part of your settings. Scroll down, choose Transfer or Reset iPhone, and then choose Reset towards the top. And you're going to choose Reset All Settings at the top. You can see it'll ask you for your passcode, so just enter in that passcode used to unlock your phone, and then enter in a screen time passcode if you have one. And now just go through the process of resetting this. Keep in mind, it will reset your Apple Pay cards and passes, but it won't delete your data. If you go through all of these steps and it's still causing issues with that Face ID, we can do a force restart or a hard restart. So I'll show you how to do that. What you're going to do is use the buttons on your phone. So press the volume up, volume down, and then press and hold that side button. So you're going to keep holding it until you see the entire screen go black. And then after a few seconds after it goes black, you'll see the Apple logo appear again. And at that point, you can release your fingers just like that, and you've done that hard reset. Now, at this point, most channels ask you to like or subscribe, and I'm not going to do that. I just want to thank you for spending a couple minutes of your day here with me. I know you're busy, so thanks for spending some time here, and I really hope that this video helped you out and made your life a little easier today.